Jadi tadi gue bilangnya memang kan apa ada salah tadi bahas minggu dan kolektif tadi bilang enggak tapi harus dikoreksi dulu soal
Assalamualaikum Bos, what are you doing?
Waalaikumsalam. Hey, yeah, like usually, I'm doing my assessment. And what's up, bro?
I feel so tired bro. I feel boring from doing my assessment. So maybe we can just talk a little bit for removing our boring feel.
Me too. Honestly, I'm also very boring for my life in Polytechnic IDN because we usually work same, and then I am I think if I'm I hope for holiday because I'm very boring in here. But first I'm asked to you if my my major this engineer, this for config for understanding the material. I don't know what's your major. That's your major. What's programming, yes, or PRPL. But maybe we now work the final project, yes, but you final project make the
Website.
yes, website and application, and the book for 200 page, alright?
Yes.
That's crazy, bro. I am just work the final project, just book and 200 pages. I'm very crazy because if my major this tutorial, so my book the for module for teach to people, and if we work the final project for a tutorial the MikroTik I am the screenshot the tutorial one step for tutorial, and one step we edit to screenshot. So this work very long time.
Wait. Now, what are you making on your laptop?
Yes, I am now making the lab for final project. This I'm using the what's virtual. So I'm for lab or for study for learning. I'm use the virtual. First for VMware or virtual machine VMware. That's we use the application or software. What's that name? Genestry Pinet, but I am use the Genestry because this Genestry yes, very good for not problem, not delay. So I am use the Genestry. Now I want the lab desk tenant for continue the what's final project, and then if my book actually I'm to what's to alat first software to hardware. This router board for RB. That's the hardware. I'm sorry. This the hardware. This hardware that name RB for type RB. Wait. We check RB 941.
So, wait. That is some kind of router, right?
Yes, this router Mikrotik, but this type, yeah, little, small.
Oh, small.
For small type Mikrotik.
Okay.
Yes, not this just the we pay 3,100.
3,000?
Yes, just 3,100.
Okay. So,
Yes.
are that device you bought by yourself?
No. This we what's have from my campus, the Polytechnic. This borrow for we student. Okay. Because if we one people or one student, my money.
Okay.
And then this for what? For
port.
First for internet, 3 for configuration or for this. Okay.
Okay, interesting. So can I look at this device? So it have 4 port, and isn't it what call it cable LAN, right? So we can plug it into this device like this. Okay. Wow. This device was so great.
Oh, this very good because first in router board or in Mikrotik we bisa make the Wi-Fi hotspot on voucher first. We also can make the firewall for remote for Yeah, many configuration for this what's network. If you what's if you in your home, if you have the what's up access point or Wi-Fi, or now in we boarding house, we have the what's access point or Wi-Fi. Nah, for the server this make, but this the router, the type CR, yes, and then this cable, the name this cable strike, but this first name UTP and STP, two type cable UTP and STP, same the product, but if UTP not the pelindung this cable, but STP have, and two type UTP and STP. First strike, this strike. What is strike? Strike that's for device same. Okay, device not same, or example this make what's the my laptop and to my Mikrotik and router. If we cable crossover, this for same device.
Wait. So the strike is that some kind of type of cable?
Yes.
Oh, so how much type that exists in the world? How much the types?
For this UTP and STP, just two strike and crossover.
Oh,
But this
okay.
in cable, this but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cable little small. This what's berurutan, we making for this we make the tongue crimping for this, and then so yeah, that's for kegunaan.
Oh yeah, I've been seeing from in my Sosmed timeline that someone in engineer major that he like cutting the cable, which is crimping.
Yes.
And after that he combined between the two cables that cut it before in the machine, like and laser. There's laser for combine these two cable of cable LAN, right?
Yes.
Cable optic. Okay.
Not fiber optic.
Oh, it's a
This
different.
just LAN.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, understand.
In fiber optic, ya berbeda. Yeah, I am have I'm take my tools for this make
The crimping?
Yes, make the kabelan for this name cable crimping.
Okay.
We
So really,
take-
can I see it?
Yes, take this my bag, my copper. I'm sorry if my what's in this with my cause wait this the name cable crimping, my product this daily from China, this from China.
Okay, so can I see it?
Yes.
Wow, it's like some kind of it's a little bit heavy, right? Can I open it?
Yes, open.
Wow, it's my first time for seeing these tools.
Wait, I am
Can you show me how to use it?
I have two. This.
Oh, what is it?
Now we will we sit down, okay?
Okay.
Sit down. That's we have tutorial for this making the cabelan, but this RJ 45 for RJ 45. First we cut this, use the cable. This.
Okay. Wow.
Nah, step two, we this call it cable, we
Open.
open.
Okay.
This for
open.
this.
Okay, we put on there.
Wait. This egg the
Cable?
Cable small. First green and green green white. First orange and whites, and blue and whites, and the last chocolate and white. Okay. First we for rapihkan this. First we same this the cable berurutan. First white orange to white orange and white orange and white blue, white green and blue, white blue and green, and white chocolate and chocolate. Okay.
Okay.
First, but this time very, if we not expert, we very kesusahan. Okay.
Okay.
First we putih white orange and white orange. Okay, this, and then two whites green and white and blue. Okay, and then two whites and blue. After white and blue, we blue.
Oh, so we tidy up the color based on color, right?
Yes.
Okay.
If we cable strike, it's and then green, and the last this. Okay, we can actually we have the for RJ45 for this.
Oh, so you
Yes.
combine that two cables on that
Yes.
point.
First, if for the line, we
Cut.
let's-
So you
let's-
cut it first.
yes, for this ukuran panjang sama same.
Okay. Oh.
Set. This same.
Oh yes.
Yes.
So
So, after this, actually this open. Yes, not open. Enter to RJ45. Okay.
Oh, immediately.
Yes.
Right. Okay.
But
okay.
we not save. So yeah, that's
Yeah. That was very poor. Okay. So okay. So yeah, I can understand it a little bit, but after I saw you crimping this cable, I think engineer was maybe very fun, some kind of fun, and but there for engineer major, so you need the the device and the tools that you need for doing something, because engineer was have a relation with a real device, right?
Right.
Okay, so yeah, yeah, I have interest for this engineer after hear your explanation.
Okay. And then I am finished my what's percentage or presentation?
Explanation.
Explanation for my major. So I have question for you.
Okay, what is it?
How do you measure? But because I think the programming for modding, for making the application and web, I think wah susah kali bah.
Okay, yeah, it's heard like
So,
very difficult.
What's your tanggapan for your major, and what's your learning the major?
Yeah, bro. Honestly, when you enter the programming major, you need to have the strong logic. That first, yeah, like you say before, programming major was very not very, but just difficult, because you think like what computer think. Like maybe for example, when we want to make some function in programmer, we call it function, or you maybe you teach someone that cannot do anything to do something, yeah, but in that function you explain step by step. First there's when I type something, or like a number 1 for example, or 6, you put it in a new like a variable. So variables can change based on what are you enter to the variable.
Oh, yes. If you modding this my laptop, this can or not?
Is your computer have like a software for coding?
I not have because my major engineer.
Oh yeah, that's obviously. So yeah, that was your laptop cannot do coding. So I can coding on your laptop.
But if you give me for a little or small tutorial step by step. Yep. Hey, wait. You're this
Oh,
place. You have the tutorial, okay?
Okay, I borrow your laptop.
Yes,
So can I exit from this window?
no problem.
Okay, so there are some tools for what people say modding, like that called text editor. When you see in the internet, we open, there is several software, several tools or text editor that you can use for coding. But the common people or general, they use that they call VS Code. Okay, there. VS Code, this text editor, which is known entire every programmer must be know this Visual Studio Code, because almost people use these text editors since their since their first coding. So you before you do that, you must to install this first into your laptops. This like some apps for edit, like the name text editor. So basically this this page was built by code or the text. Like yeah, you can see this this is called snippet or code, several code from the so this is the code or snippet that built this entire website
Hmm.
like that.
What's perbedaan for AI? What's yang lainnya?
Okay. Okay, so the difference between the other tools is maybe the tools that provided in every tools. Like for example, in Visual Studio Code is the biggest community for the biggest community and the biggest software that used for coding. So because Visual Studio Code was the biggest one, inside this Visual Studio Code, they're called extension. It's very much that you can use. Like maybe for example, I use one extension that called Prettier. That is extension for formatting your code. So if you like typing code, that when you see that your code that will be messed up, so when you enter Control A and right click, there is choices, and one of them is format. So that extension will make your code more pretty and more readable. So if you give that your code file in to the other people, they can read what you type in your file, like that.
Wash, I very don't understand. What's your major? The basically programmer.
Yeah,
Don't
and
understand.
actually, much of programmer is some kind of the programmer major is so very complicated. So this is a common problem for every programmer major. Okay, yeah. So that's it.
Yes.
That was a basic. No, yeah, like a basic for this major. So it's okay. I hope you can at least you have an insight at my major for programming. So what I do or what I make, what should I do when I enter the programmer major.
Yes.
Okay. Oh yeah, you wanna see my progress for my projects?
Yes.
I have
Wait. Can this my laptop?
Of course, I have deployed into the server, so you can access online.
I know.
Okay, so we open and what the name? I forgot. Okay, I remember. So it called span.me.id.
It's your domain kah?
Yeah, this is my
Oh.
domain and I have it with. But there's some problem. Like look at the layout. It's very messed up. In my local, it's not like this. It's more prettier than this. So I don't know where's the problem and what should I do for fix it. But that's okay. At least I have progress on my project. So when you click login in there.
This web what's for kegunaan.
Oh, the purpose, yeah.
Yes.
The purpose is like maybe I make it based on what I see on the company. So like when the employee was getting out into for the job, like maybe for negotiation with other company or something else that legal for from their company. We use this for tracking the budget or the money that company that given company to the employee. So I try to log in admin.com and the password is okay. Wait. Test. Okay, so we can enter this.
This for the what's this name? PT, okay?
Yeah, like PT. So this is like your money. How much do you have? And this is your outcome for this month. and yeah, like something
If
like that.
this project, how much percent?
Maybe I can say 80% because much of the future I have finished it, and yeah, maybe I will develop it for making much better. Yeah, it sounds like more complicated when you enter the programming major, but there was the common problem for several people. Yeah.
Is that?
Okay, so I have a side too. I get a side for engineering major.
Yes.
Thank you for explanation. Maybe
I'm also
yeah.
for your major explanation.
Okay. Yeah. So now I have some spirit for doing my assessment back. Maybe thank you.
I'm also for working the final project.
Okay. So yeah, after hearing your speech, I think we are in the same situation. Yeah. I mean, almost all students from President was past the situation, but yeah, at least we have in the same situation, so we have to berjuang together.
Yes.
Yeah, let's pay respect. Thank you for him.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Uh,
See you.
see you in the campus. Yeah, see you in the campus.
Yes,
So
that's
yeah, get spirit
yes.
and
For 3 weeks again.
yeah, 3 weeks again.
This we for semester 1,
Okay,
and then we
go out to take our
the
holiday.
mountain.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I hope we can pass it together. So
Okay.
good luck in your final projects.
Silakan.
Yeah, I'll going back to my room. Thank you for all.